So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to fill visit Japan web. So basically many countries have this online way of providing your travel information so that when you reach the border they have everything ready, and this is going to reduce your processing time. So even India has e-arrival system. So let's see for Japan. So in front of you I have opened this visit Japan web, which is digital. When you come here for the first time, you have to create an account. Okay, read the terms, privacy policy, go to next. You need to put email and password and then confirm the creation of the account. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay guys, so in the previous screen I had to put in my email and then I had to create a password, and then the system sends a 6-digit code to the email in order to verify. Once it is verified, then your account has been created. Now you can log in. Now because it's the first login, so they have recommended and also optional to create a multi-factor authentication. Nowadays it's very important with the advancements in the hacking technologies. So I'm going to select yes and next. Okay, so what a method I'm gonna do, like these are the authenticator apps they support. So I'm gonna go to display QR code. I'm gonna register, and once you register into your app, this authentication is enabled. Then you can enter the verification code and you can go to the next. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys.